definitely hoodie weather, is it? It's free. I can't believe you're in shorts and a t-shirt. What day is it? Wednesday. Wednesday, and we are going to go and do a site visit at Vovem just to see how we got on last week with the seating. There's been a small change. The guys have decided to just change up the stitching in the seats a little bit, which hopefully doesn't impact the deadline too much, but we'll see very shortly. Still no carpet. What's happening?
Whenever we can do it. So you can put your base down, we can carpet to you, whatever's best for you. We're just talking about it, just then we can carpet down, we put on you on top.
What about Sparkies, because they're taking their time with it, eh?
These two, yeah, very slow, aren't they? I know we're listening, we're just ignoring.
They've got no sense of humour either. Fucking hell, would they bully a smile out of them? Slow progression is better than no progression, I suppose. You can tell they like being here.
This.
That's
and that's the issue.
for the money that you paid for that. Even like a paint finish, look at the paint finish on that. It's just Was it £10,000 for the two of them? 10?
What? 6k.
6k even.
What the fuck?
For that, I could have made that for scrap, just lying about in the workshop. I just think the gold finish is to be honest with you. It's not even shiny, look. It's not been glossed. That's just two-part paint, it's not got gloss on it. You could put a gloss lacquer on it, it would look better. I would tell them to take it back. Look at the finish on it, man. And it shouldn't be moving like that. Like, okay, that can be fixed. You'll never sort that though. If you were bending that pipe, bring that down, make this one longer and bring that down a straight at 6 inches. So you never had that issue. On Friday we got all of these in, but now we've got a new issue. We're going to stitch lines into here. We're going to flute the seat pads, but only on the perimeter seating. So that's the next thing. So we'll get all this finished first. We've got all the plinths in, got all the lights in, get the tables in, finish all the panels around there, around here. Once we've got all the paneling in, then we can strip all them. So this is some of the signage supplied by us. Stainless steel, laser welded, and then it's got the lighting on it. We'll go here like that. Try and light it up. Is there any batteries lying there? Fucking hell, that's bright. So that'll go in here, look. So I'll get flat mounted on, see. So yeah, Friday, seats went in. Other than that, we need to come back and do all the paneling, but we'll catch up with that Friday. And that's us. Right, let's go. Next point I call all the paneling on here. So there's vertical paneling like your seats going on here, and then we've got lights going in between it. We'll do that. This has all got to be upholstered. Lights have to be set, and then we'll tackle these booths. These corner booths are getting built in the workshop right now, so we'll get onto that. Right, Mark, I'm out of here. Did we get a decision on that?
I wouldn't mind black.
Nina says that on there, but I think if that's black.
Gary says black.
Black.
Richard said black the other day. We'll go black.
We'll go black. Okay, right, see you later. If it's the script, I'm not gonna come because you're in your dinner. If it was the script.
How do you get on with all the stuff anyway?
Aye, so. I need to go and order all the materials so we can do the seating like. So I need to go and work to it yesterday. I need 3 rolls of fabric extra. So that's like 60 metres of fabric extra we now need to go and buy. And I need to go and buy 15 sheets of foam, so it's what it is, we just need to do it. But other than that, I think the 4 booths, the actual structure of them's built, they're just about to start the upholstery now.
And have you got an idea on price yet?
I'll keep it as minimal as I can, I can. I'll hate it, it depends how long you takes, couple of grand, 2.5 grand, I'll try and keep it as slim as I can. It just depends how quick we can get it done. I mean, the fabric's dear, Ken. 60 metres of fabric at £27 a metre or whatever it is. It's not cheap. And then the foam's like £400. To be honest with you, I haven't worked it out. I need to see, my plan is get the 4 booths in, get the centre booths off finished, get everything done that I can, and then we'll worry about that just before opening because I'll knock it out as fast as I can. Mark was saying you had to get in touch with the lighting company and that.
Aye. They're not sitting straight, so he's away setting up some videos and stuff. And instead they're going to do whatever they can to make it right.
We looked at how they've manufactured it. Why would you not go straight up, arch over, and then come down like 6 inches straight into the fitting?
Yeah.
That would make more sense than connecting it at an angle, because now the lights are sitting at an angle. But for the money they've charged, it's madness.
That's wild.
If you need anything else from now on, just contact me, because if it's not something I make, I can tell you where to get it. Like I proved with the lighting. Fancy carpet's going to do next week. If you need boys to do jobs, phone me. Like, I've got carpet layers that would have knocked that carpet out in no time.
It's too late. I'll get in touch with you and see if your boys can do it.
Aye, you'll just phone them, see what they're saying. But aye, they done the Hill Pataudry bar for me for 8 ton cash. Okay, I mean, I was putting down all the vinyl, welding all the seams, everything.
All right, well, I'll let you know.
Aye, enjoy your dinner. I'll speak to you later on.
Cheers.
Bye. The Clarksons are entrusting Nina with design, and Nina's designed it, but she said that she never intended on any stitching in the seat pads because she wanted a different style or a different seating. And then obviously the client is saying that that's what they want, so they think there's a bit of to and fro in between the two of them at the minute. The downside of it is that we need to go and change some of the seating. So it's not the end of the world, but it's quite a big job. It means half of the seat bases in the whole place needs changed, which will be a little bit of a task, but I'm sure we'll get there in the end. We always do. So we'll see how we get on.